I'm Shelly Sicily and welcome to YummyArts.com and Merry Christmas! All right, we're gonna make a Christmas ornament with a ball pen. Did you know that there is a ball pen? Go to your local craft store in that certain section and you will find the ball pen. Now I'm going to show you what's very special about this ball pen is it comes with little things because you can't put it in here and expect it's going to rock around and roll and everything like this when you want to roll. Your batter's going to fall out. So it comes with these rings. Don't lose these rings. You'll just go, oh my gosh, I lost my rings. So put it in here, set it in there. It holds two. I highly recommend putting them in a pan, the pan's in the pan. That way when you want to pick it up and put it in the oven, you've got it set, okay? Otherwise, you got to hold onto the ring, go put it in the can. You got to put your hot gloves on, pick it up, pull it out. So put it in the pan, take it off to go bake it. All right, now I want to show you what's fun about these ball pans. And since I'm working with the cake, let me put my gloves on. Now I've already baked these and you have to spray them up just like any of the other pans with your Pam or your Crisco or your flour. I like Crisco. Actually, I like Pam. So if it doesn't come out, you take your spatula, run it down your side. You can't really scrape that way. You've got to take it and go like this, inch it out. We're going to cover it with buttercream just to loosen it, okay? It's going to make a liar out of me. It will come out. There you go. Perfect ball. All right, I want this to sit flat, so I'm going to take and cut a little bit of this off. Put a little buttercream on here. Now, this, I want it to be on my piece of foam core because I want to lift it up off of this polyfoil. Open my glue. Which side has my, right there. That side goes down, the side that had my pencil mark on it. Don't want it to touch the food. Okay, we're going to put this in the center. Put some buttercream on here. A little bit more buttercream. This is the fun thing about a ball pen. You got to frost two sides. So we're going to frost this side. And then we're going to set it on the foam core. Because getting underneath it is not easy. All right, rotate this. Smooth this out as much as possible. Put as much buttercream as you want. If you keep the cake cold and then you put the buttercream back in the fridge with the cake, it'll firm up and help you keep that perfectly round ball with the cold buttercream. Okay. Because this is so small, you can handle it. All right, flip it over. Now, it's easier to flip this over and set it here than the other way around. More buttercream. Let's use our quick icer. A handy dandy, fun, even keel buttercreamer. Spread this out a little bit. I know that we've got issues going on. Hang on to this. Frosting out to the sides. Let's get this other one out. This one popped right out. See, that'll happen too, but it doesn't matter because it's going to get covered with buttercream. So we'll set that on here. And there's our ball.